Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to clock out using the Me at Walmart app. First, open the Me at Walmart app on your mobile device. Ensure you are already logged in. If not, enter your user ID and password. Once logged in, you will see your home screen with various options. This is your starting point for a smooth clock-out experience. Next, navigate to the Time Clock or Me tab located on the app's main navigation bar. This tab is typically found at the bottom of your screen. Tapping it will open a new section dedicated to your shifts and time records. This is where all your clock-in and clock-out functions reside, making it simple to manage your work hours accurately. Within the Time Clock section, you will see an option labeled Clock Out. Tap this button to initiate your clock-out procedure. The app may then display a confirmation screen showing your current shift details. It is important to quickly review these details for accuracy, ensuring everything looks correct before proceeding. This step helps prevent any discrepancies in your recorded work time. After tapping Clock Out, a confirmation message will appear, stating that your clock out was successful. This message usually includes the exact time of your departure. If you encounter any issues, such as an error message or an inability to clock out, please speak with your team lead or manager immediately. Always ensure you receive that final confirmation to guarantee your time is correctly recorded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.